Meghana Style Paneer Biryani that you can make at home. This is a more healthier version with lots of vegetables in it, and this also tastes really very delicious as well as healthy. Let's see how to do it. If you are a fan of Meghana Style Paneer Biryani, you would love it. Let's cook the rice first. Cook the rice separately and strain it, and let the rice cool down a bit. Meanwhile, let's make the masalas ready. Paneer masala, I mean. So heat a pan and add some oil with some salt and turmeric. Fry it in the oil. Once this is done, in the same pan, add some oil and add in the spices. Once the spices are fried, let's add in the chilies and chopped onions into it. Once these turn pinkish, let's add the ginger garlic paste into it. Also add the tomato puree. And let's also add the coriander leaves and mint leaves if you want to. Here I'm skipping it because it's too much heat for me in the system. And add the curd and give it a nice mix. And then let's add in the masala powders. Turmeric, salt, chili powder and coriander powder according to the portions that you're preparing. Give it all a nice mix. Once the oil starts separating from this masala, let's add in the paneer cubes into it. Give it a nice mix. Add in the kasuri methi. Once this is cooked well, let's take out the paneer masala from it, and in the remaining half of the masalas add in the curd or water and let it come to a nice boil. Once this is done, let's add in the boiled vegetables into this masala and mix it well. Once this comes together, let's add in the boiled rice into it and give it a nice mix. And there we have the healthy biryani rice for the paneer biryani. Let's serve it with the paneer masala. And this tastes really good. Adding vegetables in the rice is optional and it's completely up to you. I have added for the health reasons, and this almost tastes so similar to the actual version. Let's taste it now. The paneer masala actually tastes almost like the restaurant style one. This is really good, guys. This is really tasty. The masala is so good and it tastes almost like the restaurant one. Do try this and let me know how you like it. Like, share and subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next video with a new recipe. Take care until then and happy cooking.